today I have come to attend a national seminar in Hyderabad University in the Department of Health Psychology. The seminar is about obesity and what are its socio-psychological effects on the society. Here I would just like to give a small introduction. Obesity has reached epidemic proportions in India in the 21st century, with morbid obesity affecting 5% of the country's population. India is following a trend of either developing like other developing countries that are steadfastly becoming more obese. Reason for this is unhealthy processed food has become the norm and the more accessible following India's integration in the global food markets. Indians are genetically susceptible to weight accumulation, especially around the waist. This accumulation of fat around the waist leads to many medical disorders like hypertension and mainly cardiovascular diseases, which will result in overburden of our healthcare industry in India. Obesity leads to many problems with increased morbidity and mortality. In addition, many of these conditions are associated with psychosocial consequences. I wonder how many of you all have undergone the trauma of being called fat. When I was young, I was more on the obese side and I was called auntie even by my classmates. This has a huge effect on our mental development. Finally, I used to become withdrawn and go and sit in a corner. I never used to talk to people. So, for us, the obesity control should start from the home. So, the mothers and fathers should not force their children or should not take light and get all the junk food from outside and feed the children. Please take this as a social commitment and try to contain the obesity starting from the house.